Introduce highlight features and quick overview of MINIKID folding treadmill mechanical walking machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. This treadmill will help kickstart your fitness journey, by helping users increase blood circulation, increase bone density, strengthen muscles, improve balance, improve mood, and increase coordination. The mechanical walking machine is driven by the friction between the runner's foot and the running belt. The mechanical treadmill can be said to be an active running equipment. Its power source is that the user generates backward thrust through the hips, knees, ankles, and related muscles, and pushes the treadmill to produce movement. The running device, the patented running device design, liberating the hands, can run without the hand, the belt protection, the soft sponge, the comfortable spring. The free running, the movement is more relaxed. Display time, distance, speed, calories burned. Hold the heart rate test design, control the running speed by controlling the heart rate, and improve the sports effect. Easy to install, suitable for all ages, rest assured to use. Instantly folds, saves space, and moves lightly, especially for home use. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.